No, because I'm really excited.
Yeah, Puneet Taylor.
I have no words for that.
Yeah, well, no words. My kids will have words because they won't be considered all important about money.
Money's not the most important thing in the world.
Exactly, that's why I'm not raising them here.
Well, I am gonna be a good father.
No, you're not.
You're gonna be an awful mother.
That's the point. Mothers are supposed to ruin their children.
That is not the point. They're supposed to be motherly and nurturing.
Yeah, well.
You know what, Haley? I want to ask you for your opinion.
Where's Jessica?
Are you filming this? I wasn't really understanding if you were taking a picture or what.
Fine. See that way.
We can post it and we can be like, this is us in a social setting. Yes! Perfect!
Okay.
That was a gross looking.
Would you like to get involved? Jacqueline!
I'm what?
Lacey? You know what?
What?
Brienne will be a better mother than you.
What? And that's it! She's actually offended. Because you're actually offended because you know that that's saying so much. Because it is! Brienne's a freak!
I'm kidding.
Oh man.
You know
I love you.
Okay.
Mass discussions make me so happy. That was fun.
Are you pretending that?
Yeah.
Hey.
He wants to like show our bad side or something.
You know what?
Even though Puneet
When
knows
I
I'm
am
right.
yelling, I sound like a pigeon.
Oh yeah.
Unnormal.
Well, I kind of always thought it was like now.
Dying. So not funny
Oh right.
at all.
My sister. The sister.
It is not my fault that sometimes when I'm on the phone they call me ma'am. So shut.
I get that too though.
And I respond.
What?
You know what, woman?
Quite disturbing. I like it for his personality. Don't you ever say that to me again.
It's the story of my life.
I can layer stuff with mine.
And it does not need to be filmed by some capitalist Chris.
Whoa. Yeah, Chris, you're a capitalist. We have a problem with you.